You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, so that's a very, very, very important pronunciation video here, because you're gonna learn something today. How do you pronounce the name of the author of The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings, JRR? Everybody, pretty much virtually everybody says Tolkien, right? JRR Tolkien? Well, it's actually said as Tolkien. Yes, that's how he would have said it himself, John Ronald Reuel. Tolkien, not Tolkien. From now on, you can say it correctly as Tolkien. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.